I'm sure you've seen this style all over social media. If you've been wondering how to do it or what hair to use, this is where our today's sponsor comes in. This is Afro Kinky Human Hair from Hotbraids. This is how the hair look out of the net. When they say Afro, they meant it. This hair look exactly like falsy hair. It also came with a box, and inside you have some clips, a edge brush, a brush, and the comb. I already took off the comb though. This is a maintenance tips, cord, how to take care of the hair, and also weave a bag. First, let me show you how to prep this hair. I spray a little bit of water on the bundle before separating the hair from the bundle. This made the process so much easier and will also help you not to lose a lot of hair. This is how it look when it's wet. The curl look more defined. Then put it on the rack. As for me, I didn't have it, so I put it on my cart. With this type of hair, it's essential that you prep the hair before starting. You cannot just separate it as you go. If you choose to do so, you will lose a lot of hair. The products I used to do this style was some braiding gel, mousse, and leave-in conditioner. This was my client's birthday, so she wanted the part to be special. We agreed on some diamond bar. Y'all, this was my first time doing it, so I just had to get the hang of it before I start recording. I separated my client's hair in half from ear to ear. Then I did 5 slanted rows before going to do the same thing on the other side. But if I have to redo it again, I will only do 2 to 3 rows, and my base should be the middle of her neck. I'm using braiding gel to make my parts clean. Then I start sectioning my part. When doing so, make sure it's also slanted. That way it's gonna give the diamond look. Let me show you how I was able to achieve this. I started with a small piece of hair, but with this hair, a little goes a long way. Braided about a half an inch before adding the second piece of hair. This was on purpose though. I didn't want the box braid not to show too much. That's why I started before adding my second piece of hair. Use my code in the description below to save. Keep braiding about half an inch before you start twisting. But the way you twist this hair is the same way you twist your natural hair. So from going from left to right. It's not really twisting, you're just putting one string on top of each other, just following the natural curl pattern. That way it's gonna look fluffy. Keep twisting all the way to the end. When I'm done with this row, I'm gonna do one row on my right side before going back on my left side. So keep doing one row on each side all the way to the end. As you can see, the beginning of my rows start on my left braids. That way all my rows are the same size. Redo the same process until you're done. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. I know most people usually spray the water on it, then put mousse when they're done, but try dipping it in hot water. It makes a huge difference. The curl looks more defined and the braids more bouncier. The hair was 22 inches and we used 5 bundles to achieve this look.